10 Legit Side Hustle Ideas to Earn More Money in 2023. Thanks to social media and people being so busy, creating a side hustle to make extra money in 2023 is easier than ever. No matter where you're from, thanks to the conveniences afforded to us by the internet, making money is no longer a constant and never-ending struggle. Your day job might help you pay for the necessities. But a side hustle to make money from home, that's the game changer. It will make a difference in your wallet while giving you the freedom you've always wanted. Whether you're an introvert or a social butterfly, here are 10 legitimate side hustles that'll help you make more money. Number 1. Begin freelancing. It is possible to make money freelancing with any skill you have that you're better at than most people. Find a platform, build your profile and portfolio, determine your price, find work, and focus on client relationships. It only takes one client, then a second and a third, and from there referrals will keep the cash coming in. You can start selling your services on platforms like Fiverr and Upwork. Number 2. Become a social media manager. Almost half of global internet users use social media to search for brand information in today's world. Given its prevalence, businesses now recognize it as an important communications channel to manage their online presence. Your tasks involve creating and maintaining brand promotions, marketing campaigns, etc. across several different social media networks for your clients. You can start by taking on 2 or 3 small business clients, then increasing your clientele as your skill level grows. Compensation may be on an hourly basis, or a monthly fee, or whatever is agreeable between you and the client. Number 3. Start blogging. Blogging is one of the best side hustle jobs to do from home, or anywhere else in the world. It allows you to build a personal brand while owning your own asset. You can make money blogging in a few ways, adding affiliate links to your posts or linking to the online store where you sell products. Plus, the combination of content and commerce is a powerful one. As your blog grows, you can use retargeting ads to monetize your blog traffic to land more sales. Number 4. Start a YouTube channel. Video marketing has exploded, especially in the past few years. One thing is certain: video content is on the rise and keeps growing year after year. Plus, if you have a blog or an e-commerce site, YouTube is a great platform you can use to promote your website. Whether through YouTube ads or a video course on your site, it creates more content or a product that gives you another income source, which is always good. Number 5. Become a virtual assistant. There's been a growing demand for virtual assistants from business owners who need help on various projects. As a virtual assistant, you can specialize in countless areas. You can help with tasks such as administration, social media, bookkeeping, and more remotely. Starting up might be a bit harder, as you need to find clients, but you could earn more money this way. You can join popular Facebook groups for businesses or use popular websites like Upwork to find clients. Number 6. Become an online freelance writer. As a blogger, I've done some freelance writing myself, so I know this is a legitimate side hustle to make money. It can work perfectly as a side hustle that you can do in your spare time. Though the fees can be low at the beginning, you can eventually earn several $100s per article in the long run. The majority of web content is written by freelancers who offer their services to multiple clients. Number 7. Online tutoring. In this era of online education or e-learning, many people are taking up career paths as educators who teach online. If you have a knack for teaching, the COVID-19 pandemic has created numerous opportunities to make money instructing students and sharing your skills. Of course, you don't have to leave your house to be a tutor anymore. Some companies where you can make money as an online teacher: TutorMe, Cambly, Schoolly, etc. Number 8. Become a Facebook ads specialist. People are making serious money with this side hustle. Big companies are well aware of the value of advertising on Facebook. But there are hundreds of thousands of small businesses that can also benefit, but they are either unaware Facebook ads are a thing, or they don't know how to make it work. If you are comfortable with how the process works, you can begin marketing your Facebook ad service to small businesses. Those could include businesses in your geographic area, but you can also reach out to those on the web. Number 9. Start an e-commerce site and sell your products. Worldwide, e-commerce is expected to grow by as much as 13 to 25%. Creating an e-commerce website or online store is pretty straightforward these days. You don't have to have any technical knowledge or design skills whatsoever. However, you need to understand what it takes to maintain an e-commerce website and its ongoing marketing. Etc., eBay, Shopify, and now Facebook Marketplace are great places online where you can sell your products. Number 10. Sell online courses. Nowadays, people don't have time to take a college course to learn everything they need to know in life. That's why many are willing to pay for an online course that will help them to learn at home, in their own time, and at their own pace. Similar to freelancing, think of any topic where you have above average knowledge or skill. You can then take advantage of programs like Kajabi and Teachable to help you create your course. You can market your program on social media, but you can also look into affiliate programs running on different websites. Certain instructors on Udemy bring in hundreds of dollars a month and some make in thousands.